Hello guys, this is Owerri North, URATTA, Main Town Road. Guys, from Oji, I'll be showing you this road. Since I started this video, I have never seen a pothole in this road. This is the most clean and neat road that I have ever seen in Owerri. Starting from Oji roundabout to inside town of URATTA, the roundabout at URATTA. So guys, in this video, just cool down, watch this video till the end. I will start from Oji. This is the roundabout at URATTA. Hello guys, I'm at URATTA now. So I'm at URATTA now roundabout. So I started from Oji. I'll be showing you guys from Oji roundabout to URATTA. This place now is URATTA. You can see at my back here. This place is URATTA. So I will show you guys from Oji roundabout. The roundabout at Oji, close to Oji, to URATTA side, inside URATTA town. So guys, make sure you do like, subscribe. Let's go guys. Let me show you from Oji to URATTA. I'm at URATTA now. Thank you guys and thank you for watching. So guys, my journey started from Oji roundabout. This is Oji side. This is the URATTA road. When you are going inside URATTA, this is the URATTA road from Oji roundabout. The junction at Oji, close to the market in Oji. So guys, since I started this video, I've never seen a pothole in this road. And the one thing I want to say to the government, please, this URATTA need one company here. Need something. URATTA have a landmark, big landmark. Guys, don't go anywhere. You will watch to the end. Watch this video to the end. You will see that URATTA have enough land inside that I saw today. I was like, wow, URATTA is one of the biggest, neighborhood in this town, Owerri. So guys, in this video, don't go anywhere. Let's go. This me, keep on going. So I vlogged this place today because I have never come to this place before, but I made it today to show you guys the URATTA road. This is URATTA, Owerri North, Imo State. So guys, our brothers and sisters that are not in Nigeria, that have been long, they come this road. This is URATTA in Owerri North. I schooled here. I schooled my primary school in this town, in this place, URATTA. So for a long time that I have never come to this place. Then this road is not good at all. But now you can never see a pothole in this road. You can see everywhere is busy. There is houses this side close to Oji. You can see how everywhere is neat and busy. I don't know whether they are sweeping this road, man. Everywhere is cool, everywhere is good. This is one of the filling station, and this is a dustbin I saw when you are going inside URATTA road by the right. You will see this dustbin here. It's too much, man. It's too much. So guys, I'm still going inside. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you do watch this video to the end, and make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Guys, vlogging this place today was one of the biggest achievements in this channel, because people have been telling me to come to this place. So I decided to come to this place today. This is URATTA road. So I'm going inside URATTA now. Don't go anywhere. This is how the road look like. Everywhere is good. Everywhere is neat. Guys, you can see the landmark everywhere. There is too much land in this place. Please, Owerri, please, 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 the governor of Imo State, please come to this side, build something here so that people will enter inside this place and be building houses, because there is too much land in this place. Guys, you can see the road are good. They have road network. That's the most important thing. They have road network. Their road is even better than Mbitoli. Mbitoli don't have any road like this. There is no place in Mbitoli that have good road like this. This is a neighborhood. This is a town inside Owerri local government. But Mbitoli as a whole, as a local government, has no road. Ikeduru has no road. Only the road at Okibe Road. Yes, that's that Okibe Road. That's the only road Ikeduru have. Ikeduru has no road. So guys, you can see the road network here in URATTA road. So guys, see the landmarks, see the bushes. You see the environment. Everywhere is cool. Everywhere is cool. They need more development in this place. They really need more development in this place. You can see lands. You can see the lands here. That's what they really need this place. More development, building structures, so that people, visitors will come inside this place and be buying land. This place is actually beautiful. Guys, you can see the road. You can see people walking. You can see weathers. You can see many things on this road, guys. You can see gas plants, stations. Guys, this road is amazing. I have never seen a neat road and there is no pothole in this road. I have never seen a neat road here in Imo State or in Owerri like this place. This is URATTA Road by Owerri North local government. Guys, you can see. So I'm nearing to the URATTA main town now. I will reach the junction at URATTA junction, the main junction. Guys, you will see how everywhere look like. So guys, if it's your first time to see my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, because while I'm doing this, I want our brothers and sisters that are not in Nigeria to see how our place look like, to see how Owerri look like, to see how all the local governments in Imo State look like. I'll be going to other local governments soon, but I'm still inside Owerri, showing you guys the neighborhoods in Owerri. This is the junction at URATTA main town. This is the junction. So as I arrive here, so this is where I will stop. Please make sure you do share this video, like, subscribe, share it to your brothers and sisters, and comment. Please make sure you do like. If this video gets 20 likes, I will go more inside this Imo State. Thank you and God bless you. Peace out.